Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Last video we jump started the Kei truck and it didn't work during the video, but for some reason it started the next day. I've been driving around the Kei truck for the past few weeks, no problem, but it is dead again, so probably time for a replacement. Let's do some research and see what's out there. Okay, looks like we are getting a lawnmower battery. This thread also mentioned the Toyota Prius, but these are like $200. Lawnmower batteries are $50. I also watched this video by David. Let's go remove our battery and do some shopping. I am back from shopping and ended up going with a little more cold cranking amps. Here's what the current terminals look like. I need to get it to fit on the flat parts instead of the circular parts. The positive end looks like that. Let's see if it fits. I think this is what it's supposed to look like, but I broke this part when I was removing it, and this was sandwiched in there. So I think it's pretty important. If anybody has recommendations on how to fix that, please let me know. But at least I have content for the next video. For now, 228 done.